Hey guys, what's up? This build was the most exciting, the most intimidating, and definitely the most challenging build I've done to date, but I loved every minute of it, and it was awesome. I want to give a big shout out to Zach at ZH Fabrications. He was by far the biggest inspiration for this build. He built his C-clamp bench out of metal. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can check that out. I had thought, I don't think anybody's made a giant woodworking clamp, so that was my goal for this one, and that is how this big clamp came to be. I knew the clamp was going to be super challenging to build, so I decided to do just one clamp, and then I kind of decided I would make a waterfall bench because that would complete the other leg. This beast here, all solid wood, made out of the same sycamore as the bench is. It's 2 foot long, 5 inches wide, 1 inch all thread. I made the handles out of the same wood, 2 3/4 inch coupler nuts to hold the threads. The clamp does work. It is operational. It's not quite as operational as your traditional like Jorgensen or Rockler, woodworking clamp, but it is operational. I did tighten it down on this bench, and this clamp's pressure is the only thing holding it up. And it is super, super sturdy. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Roll that beautiful B-roll footage.